Your girl Marcy B's here with a fresh, fly crochet braid style for you to rock this summer. That's the Sugar Honey Iced Tea. It's from Urban Beauty Natural, and it's their 2-time little untwisted box braid. This hair comes in 2 bundles of 15 pre-looped strands each, so you get plenty of hair. I've taken the plastic off so you can get a good look at the curl pattern, which closely resembles a natural braid or twist out. This is a summer-ready short style with feather-light hair that's available in over 12 colors. I have it in color MT1B 350, and I only needed 3.5 packs to complete this look. I just want to shout out braidsandwigs.com, where I bought this hair online. They're located right here in the ATL. Processed my order in 1 day, shipped it the next. Check out my fast and easy installation. What the packaging looks like again. I purchased this hair online at braidsandwigs.com. They ship from Atlanta, Georgia. Have also seen this hair available online at gmbshair.com. Like twists and braids, but you want to style with a little different flavor? These Urban Beauty little untwisted box braids might be just what you're looking for. You too, thank you so very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to raise right now, but you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.